Okay, since you guys are here, okay, you hold on for a while. Okay, so basically, we're using Yahoo Finance for options.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what happened to Finance Yahoo. Quite slow now, you know. Yeah, really, you know, I don't know what happened because I think a lot of people using.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people. Okay, what's your ticker? What's the ticker?
Okay, so BSX.
B.
The short form is it?
X.
The short form is BSX. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one.
I think there's something wrong with them, Yahoo. I think something wrong with them. We never mind. We're using this investing. Okay, so the what VSX, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Boston Scientific.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay, so what's the expiring date is next
18
week, right?
December. 18 December.
18 December.
Yep.
Okay, so you can look at the expiring date is 18 December. What is your strike price?
Sorry. I make a mistake. It's the 31st December. I buy it longer.
Oh, okay. Okay, what's your strike price?
So my strike price was $35. I put it slightly higher.
$35. Slightly higher. So basically you're already making, I believe lah. Okay.
Yes.
So basically, yeah, what is your stock price you are buying?
Just a minute.
No problem, no problem.
It's because I buy right, so $35 correct. $35 strike price.
You buy the strike price? No, I mean your stock price, because now you construct cover call. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so what I mean your stock price you buy that time is how much?
Give me a minute. I think it's $34.
$34. You
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So what's the premium you receive during that period of time?
The premium I receive .6. I think it's
0.6 also. Are you sure?
wait. I don't know how to see.
Unlikely lah, because I think will be slightly higher, right? Because just now it's already 0.6. When are you buying? Huh?
0.8.
0.8 lah. Okay.
0.8.
So 0.8. Okay. So you receive 80 bucks lah. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay. So now the stock price of this BSX Boston, okay, it's about 34 lah.
Also about
So
34.
I think so basically your intention is just to want to collect the premium only lah, correct or not?
That's right. I just want to collect premium.
Correct lor. So you get $80 lor by 31st lor.
Okay.
But you are choosing the right stock, because this stock I see is not really volatile one. So meaning that okay, you want to close the position, okay, you can go to the close, you just click the short call there, okay. After you click the source code, you can set the price 0.03 or 0.02 or 0.01.
The call, shut the call, close the call.
Yeah, you already short the call already, correct or not?
Yep.
You can see negative sign, -1, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can close the position. The moment you close the position there, you can see a limit price. The limit price there, you put 0.01 or 0.02.
Or should I put a limit price as according to market?
No. What I mean here is you put 0.01 because you want to cause it at 0 lah, but normally at the lowest price 0.01, 1 cent. You get me or not?
Okay.
Meaning that okay, so if the stock go down, if let's say you don't want to monitor the stock, if the stock if below 34, below the strike price, okay, you will get this 80 cent full. Okay, maybe 79 cent lah. Let's say you put it 0.01 lah. Okay, so if the stock go up also, you will get also the same also 0.0 you will get the 80 cent $80 also. But one thing is, if the stock go beyond $34, 35, 36, you also will get 80 cent already.
Yeah.
Because your intention is want to collect the premium only.
Yes, my intention is just to collect premium.
Yeah, correct. If it go down, good news. Okay, because you can collect the premium and can write the option again. You know what I mean or not? Because your stock you won't be called away. Okay, if let's say it's below 34, because your strike price is 34. If the expiration date is below 34 lah.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
When should I close it? Should I close it at during the expiration date?
You can set the price now also because you sell at 0.8, you buy back at 0.01. You know what I mean? Okay, so you make 79 cents lah. You get me or not?
And the stock is still there.
The stock is still there one, definitely. Okay, the stock don't ever sell the stock. Just put the stock there. No, just put it open only.
Okay.
Because you need the house only, you can rent out.
Okay, so
if you sell the stock, I mean you sell the house already. How can you rent out?
Okay, so sell the option first. Sell the option. Close the option.
No. You buy the stock first. You buy the stock first and leave the stock there. Leave the stock open. No need to have profit taking everything. You no need. Just put it open only, the position.
Okay.
You know what I mean or not? Okay.
Because when I bought this cover call, I bought it together, the stock and also the options.
I know. I understand what you mean. You actually can click at the handy trader there. Okay.
Yes.
You click the handy trader. Okay. The stock that part, you no need to have take profit anything. But the option that part, you put take profit. But the price is you buy back at 0.01 lah. Okay. Or 0.02 lah. You know what I mean or not?
Okay.
You get it right?
Get it. Then what about the stock? Leave it. The stock, leave it there.
Leave it. You have to leave it open because if let's say during 31st of December, the price go beyond 34, right? Okay, congratulations. Yep. You take the premium. If go down also, you take the premium. Best. It's best still. Why? Because you still keep the stock.
Oh, okay. So I just click 0.01 first.
Yes. Okay, you just take profit at 0.01. Okay, because you sell at 0.8, you buy back at 0.01 or 0.02 lah. Okay, but most of the time 0.01 lah. Okay. So if let's say whatever. Yeah. So if let's say the stock go beyond that or whatever, okay, your stock automatically will be call away lah. Okay. So basically, if go beyond that, right? Okay, basically, your options price will increase $1, $2, $3. You don't worry about that one, because your stock that part you're making money because the $80 you already put in your wallet already. You get me or not?
Okay.
So whether it's go up or go down, this premium is to belong to you.
Okay, so I can click 0.01 now lah.
Yes. The option part.
The option part 0.01. Okay.
Yeah, you close the position and then you put the limit price at 0.01.
So meaning to say that when I buy a cover call, okay, after I bought already, immediately I can actually, key in 0.01 on the call options.
Can. If you don't want to look at it anymore.
I don't look anymore. I just close at
Yeah lah.
0.01.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Uh,
Thank you. This is the question. This is the thing. Closing. I'm not sure.
no worries.
Okay, thank you, Mike.
Okay, so guys, yeah, no problem. Okay, guys, so for those want to attend 0.021, okay, like say, okay, the fee is 495 ringgit. So Sim is worth it to pay or not, that kind of fee? Sim, are you there? You're already out already, so fast one, you know. Sim, are you there or not? Okay, Sim.
Yes, I'm here.
No, it's worth or not to pay the 495 first, I ask you.
Oh, it's definitely worth, because right now, since I start trading last when I got the handy trader and got more understanding, every day I trade, either I buy or I close it. Okay,
Yeah.
I actually overall already making a couple of hundreds already.
US dollar, is it?
Yes, of course, US dollar lah.
You see?
So
Okay.
so actually,
And then some more, every time come back again, it's free one some more, no?
yeah, because actually the more I understand, the more I actually sure to go
you gain
in.
the confidence.
Yeah. So I think very important, choose the right stock. Okay, whether you want to buy call or buy put, and then you study, whichever lower or whichever higher lah. So chances of actually gaining is higher. So I think
Okay.
buying call and buying put actually is quite straightforward after knowing it, how to buy and how to close it. But it's a cover call, actually I need some that's why I call it some assurance.
Oh, no worry. It's good for you to coming in, because why you assist other people who join the 202 also, because tonight we have Albert here also.
Yeah, for the more straightforward one, actually
can,
is buy call and buy put and then close it, you see.
Correct,
we can set it as
correct.
a profit taking, or we can monitor it. If we don't want to monitor it, we just do profit taking or stop loss.
Exactly.
So the second part,
Very
I
good.
also, if you have got money, then if you want to just want to collect premium, I think cover call is very good, and the risk is also lower.
Exactly.
The risk also lower, and then normally sure gain one if you choose the right stock lah. Sure gain.
Actually, your premium sure gain one, whether
Sure
whatever
gain
stock you choose. Yeah. The
then,
only thing maybe you lost by the stock only, but the premium you sure make one.
Yeah, exactly. So another thing is
only you
I
make
also
less
learned,
only. Let's say the stock up. Yeah.
another thing I learned I learned also actually is from the option calculator. Okay, play with it, the option calculator, and then go back to your slide. I think it helped to gain more understanding on the learning.
Correct. Okay, because today I'm not going to touch until there, because they haven't studied all those the option Greeks yet, the data, all these things, Okay, you see or not? So basically,
so for me,
yeah.
For me, step by step. So after cover call, then I would try. I heard just now credit and debit spread. So step by step.
Good, very good. Okay.
Yep.
Very good. Okay. I hope options 202, a lot of people start. Like I say, I'm not going to conduct option 303 unless there are 5 people already making money in 202. You know what I mean? Okay.
Another lesson.
So very good. Okay.
Another lesson to share, actually, to speed up the learning. Also, we must do some trading every day lah. Then you gain more understanding.
I totally agree. Okay, that's why I always say, okay, just put like 1,000 or 2,000, okay, just to train your servers, okay? Because the more you trade, you know the market situation, the real life market situation. It's no point you only.
Absolutely correct.
Yep. Because outside there, okay, already people charge you around $2,500 for learning, and they have a huge class. Because those bugger are making money from teaching people one. But they are cari makan also lah. I cannot blame them lah. Okay, you see or not? But in our in MTRADEGO, my main objective is to promote the app. Okay. Secondly, actually, to be very, very frank, okay, I'm not making money from this one. I always tell people this money I used to buy honey to cure my throat one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I show the live account also. I share the live account with your guys also. You know,
Yeah.
not okay.
Yep.
I'm not like those people. Just talk theoretically only. Okay, it doesn't work one that kind of thing. All right. Okay. So we continue a bit. Okay, then we can finish already. Okay, this is a option contract for those who are option 101 one. Okay. So when you reading an option contract, this the XYZ actually is a stock ticker. Okay, in every US stock they have a ticker one. Okay, so Starbucks is SBUX, Apple is AAPL. Okay, for Go, okay, like what Albert say one is GLD. You're not mistaken, correct or not? Okay, because all these ticker, I think at least more than 1,000 ticker is already in my mind lah, because trading's too long already. You see or not? Okay, so basically these are the ticker, these are the stock name lah. Put it this way lah. Okay, December here is normally you can be by number one. Okay, the can be 12 lah. Okay, or December. Okay, December 17, and this is a year. Okay, and then this is a strike price. Okay, 70. Okay, and then basically this is actually the premium you need to pay. Okay, so basically how to read the option table, in options 202 we're going to using the real platform to show you how to play. Okay, so basically today we're going to show you in Yahoo Finance, okay, how to look at the options table. All right, for this is a Starbucks, crazy Starbucks, it's go up to 105 already. Okay, so for example, like because you think that you want to buy a call at the end of the year, okay, but not really a good time now, honestly speaking, because holiday, okay, the volume is less. Okay, so basically you can see here, okay, this is actually an option table. I tell you already, the strike price got many layer. Okay, you can choose. So in option 202, we're going to let you know what it's called in the money and out of the money. So this the blue color one is in the money for the long call, and in the money for the put actually is the right hand side. Okay, so this is how the options table works, and then this is expiring date. Okay, so besides traders, say you can really list. So basically, pardon? Yes, basically yes. Okay, because of the volume is less. Okay, and the volatility is not so high. Okay, that is actually my tech lah. But of course, you cannot take the stock like Neo, that kind of stock lah. Okay, you take Neo, this kind of stock, that is a crazy stock. You must know how to handle the YBs. You get me? Let's say for example, you do cover call Starbucks. Today you're already making 62 cents already. Okay, if you write it at a 105 lah, or let's say no lah, let's say the delta is about 5, you're already making about 30 cents already. Okay, so this is a option contract. You can see Starbucks. Okay, this is 2012. This is actually the debt. Okay, expired at year 2020. Okay, 12 is actually December 31st. Actually, is the debt. C is stand for call here. Okay, and then the 70, what do you call it? Because the strike price is 70, so it's a 70 here. So normally this is a dip in the money. Okay, so normally people trade options. Okay, they will find at the money lah, or dip in the money, or actually a bit out of the money. Okay, that's why you can see the contract here is higher if compared to those very far away one. Okay, so basically I say every contract actually is carrying 100 share. Okay, and then Starbucks basically is a very benign stock. Okay, so it's not like Neo. So the good thing you can use cover call for Starbucks. Okay, so don't choose Starbucks for long call and long put lah. Okay, because of the chances for you to lose money is almost 70 to 80%, unless you're really, really good in the timing the market. Okay, because it's the volatility is very, very low. Okay, the IV is low if compared to other stock. So in option 202, we will do that. Okay, so guys, I think if you have any questions, especially for the newbies, okay, if you want to attend options 202, okay, the same account, okay, you just wire, you just transfer 495 ringgit, okay, and honestly speaking, okay, it's a it's really a 90% discount we compared to outside one lah. Okay, so basically okay, you know what I mean or not? Okay, if you want, okay, then you just let me know. Okay, so then you at least have more choices. Let's say you want to make money from the market, you know what I mean? Okay. Okay, so basically, those who want actually, just let me know. Okay, because next week we're going to organize options 202. All right. Okay, like I tell you already, this is actually you can come back unlimited. Okay, so after I attend the basically a lot of those people who always come back one, those are the people who learn a lot. I have to be very, very frank, because if let's say you have determination to learn, you really need to come back. Okay, so if you're really busy, you actually can come back another time. And also we have a recording session. Okay, Vima, today even without you, I remember already lah. I recorded down already. Okay, you see or not? So basically, the 202 one, I think I will let you guys know the date lah. Okay. So Dato, are you okay? Are you still awake or not? I see you're quite sleepy already. Hey, Dato Edwin, are you still awake or not?
Still okay. Very long day today.
Very long day. Okay. I understand. Okay, so if you want another talk, you need to choose you need to let me know the date. Normally we will actually make it on the Thursday and Friday, you get me or not? Okay, so or Wednesday and Thursday night lah, 2 night lah. You get me?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So once you want, you just let me know. If not, also okay. Like I say, we still will conduct the course, and then we will revisit our previous students. Okay, because like I say, those are people who really determine one. I think they will come back, and because most of them already see the result already. No, not okay. Those who come back one, I can see they really can see the result, and then some of them like Felix, and then like a few others also, they already start making money already. Okay, so which I think is good lah, because it's a compliment for your stock. Okay. Okay, so you have any questions before we sign up? We end the sessions. Okay, for all those previous students who come back one, good. I'm very happy to see you guys. Honestly speaking, okay, because the more you ask, the more you learn. All right, and hopefully the more you learn, the more you earn lah. Yeah, okay. Okay, so Johan, okay, if you want, you just let me know, okay, and then just I will you just using the same account 495, and then you just let me know, you PM me, and then once okay already, okay, I will let you know the date.
Okay.
All right. Okay, and then also for Chen Cheng, okay, it's very hard to pronounce your name, to be frank. I call you CG better lah. Okay, and also Sherin Teo. Okay. So basically, like I tell you, we are like honestly, like we're like a big family lah. You get me or not? Okay, because the previous student always coming back, and I'm welcome them, and they only pay one time only. You get me or not? Okay, so I'm really honestly speaking, it's really not worth my time lah. Okay, because now market is not open yet. Because last time market open, right? Okay, 9:30 normally I don't conduct anymore. Okay, but however, if not also very boring lah, night time lah, don't know what to do. You know or not? Okay, so good. Okay, so any questions or not, Johan? Before we sign off? No, right? Okay.
No question. Yeah.
Okay. Theo, you have any questions? CG, any questions? Dr. Peter, you have any questions, Dr. Peter? Yeah, who is
Mike,
it?
can we
Yeah.
copy it?
Yes, you can copy trade, but minimum you need 5,000 US dollar to start.
All right.
Hello?
Okay.
Yeah, you will become our prime account. I believe you see our website. You go to our site, you can see one prime one, right? Correct or not? Okay. So when you want to
So what?
you want to pardon? If
What
you
is
want
it
to become
about the prime account?
okay, the prime account basically actually we offer to people who actually don't have confidence to trade, okay, but they want to make money lah, put it this way lah, okay. So basically we will actually tap into the trader actually, okay. So basically those traders already have record one, then I'll forward to you. If let's say you think that record is good enough, okay, then you go, we actually tap into their account. Then we will actually forward you the follow trade agreement. You have to sign it. You have to read it, of course lah. Okay. Whatever you don't understand, basically you can actually ask, okay, until you understand, okay. Because like I tell you, investment is involved risk. Okay, in MTRADEGO, we don't promise you sky and heaven one. Honestly speaking, we tell you all the real thing. Okay. Of course, if you think the good thing about our copy trade is like if you can see the amount that draw down that you cannot you cannot stand already, you actually can basically just call up and let me know, and we can stop it immediately.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
right.
Okay.
So
But
you need the fund 5,000. You need to put in 5,000 into the account, right? The trading account.
yes, 5,000 US dollar, not ringgit.
Yes, yes, I know.
5,000 US, $5,000 dollars minimum. Okay, for you to start with the copy trade. Okay.
Mm.
So after that, we will actually forward you agreement, and you will become our prime account holder lah. So it's a bit like a mini VIP lah, because we have a VIP some more. Okay, our VIP one we have like 50,000, 100,000. Okay, so you start with 5,000, you become a mini VIP. So whatever questions, definitely we will answer you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pardon me, doctor? I don't understand what you mean. You say what? Elaborate what? The amount. Okay, it's very, very simple, because most of our top trader, which including myself, okay, our account actually is much more higher than that already. Okay, our account is like 30,000 US dollar, 50,000, or even more than that already. So the 5,000 for us, for a good trader to trade, right, actually is a very minimum already. Okay, they cannot use less than that to trade. You get me or not? Okay, because it's less than that, it's not worth for the times being lah. Okay, because this copy trade, we don't share profit with you, okay, CG. Okay, a lot of outside one, they share the profit with you. This all the profit you take yourself,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We only earn your commission. We only earn your commission only, just to let you know. You get me or not? Okay. So so outside then, when you heard the forex copy trade, all these are BS lah. Honestly speaking, I use it before one. Okay. Okay, because for forex platform, basically it's very manipulative lah. I just let you know lah. Okay. So if you heard about forex, I promise you this and that one, right? I dare to say lah, 90 to 95% are fake one lah. You get me? Even it's real one, okay, in the end, right? Okay, the system will go down one, because of the risk is too high.
Okay. So how
You know
much
me
is
or
the
not?
commission? How much is the commission?
Pardon me?
How much
Okay, the
is
commission for copy trade one, okay, we will forward you the agreement. Is inside the agreement there. Okay, if we are following the bank rate, they want actually. You get me or not? Okay. You see, if you are keen, okay, you PM me, I will let you know. Okay, because normally all these things we only share with our prime account holder only. After they open only, if they don't want, they can withdraw the money or whatever. Okay, but if they are serious, okay, we will share with you. You get me or not? Okay, you just PM me, because yeah. Okay, because normally we don't disclose to public this one. All right. Okay. So basically, this is the thing we don't basically do it. Okay, because why we don't why the forex can have $500 and 1,000 for you to copy trade. All these things in the end, you can ask them how long they can last for on all those record or whatever, right? I don't know lah, because I know how the forex system has been set up. Okay, if they have liquidity provided, you are very lucky already. Most of the forex player broker outside there, they don't have liquidity provider one. Even they have liquidity provider, they have book A and book B. Okay, the book A basically, for them, they can see a lot of people who are losing money when they put into the book A, and then they play against them. You get me or not? So I know very well, because I actually set up the system. First month I'm making about 100%. Second month I lost 70%. So I don't want that kind of thing. You get me or not? Okay. So basically, this is if you are like say you want to do that, okay, you can start with us. Okay. But like I say, you have agreement, all those things to sign lah. Oh, okay. So yeah, you have any other questions, Serene, Theo?
May I ask how about the normal like our own trade? How much the commission trade?
Okay, the commission basically we charge is at $3.95. Okay, up to 500 share. So normally we think it's a 395 per trade lah. Okay, $3.95. Okay, you get me or not? Okay,
Good.
$3.95 per trade, correct? Okay,
Okay.
okay.
How
If
about
you
the
want to go options, right? Okay, for the
Mhm.
options one contract, we charge about $4.95. Okay, but of course, okay, they actually have a extra charges like clearing fees and that. So all up together, it's about $5 for the contract for one contract options. All right, okay. But for
Okay.
options, you want to make back your money is very fast lah. Okay, yeah, because you can own 100 share. You get me or not? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is actually but of course let's say you want to compare with direct American broker itself, right? Okay, to be very frank, okay, you have to be aware lah, one thing lah, because if any system down or whatever, you will not get support from them, you know, you see or not? Okay, and then also I
Mm-hmm.
believe a lot of brokers from Singapore and Hong Kong one, they actually go through a lot of server also, including our bank here. Okay, you see or not? We not in terms of pricing, we consider we are very, very competitive. Okay, but we are not the best. I have to agree. Okay, but you have to look at the overall situation, because we are not, we are offered to the client, actually we consider as a at least you know, they have like 2,000-3,000 US dollar to start with. But it's not like they have $20-30 to start with one. You know what I mean or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Most
Okay.
important thing also, we provide the education like what we do now. Lo. The support of the education is unlimited, so you can learn and make money. That's more important.
Mm.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Just now you mentioned
Mm.
cover call. I need to buy the share first after I can do the cover call, right?
Yes.
Then how about if I want to buy a example like just now you mentioned not Apple. I want to buy the share.
Yep.
Can I also buy the call put, because I want to look for the
No, that one actually you
drop.
can sell the put. No,
Sell the
no.
put.
Let's say you want to buy. No. Okay. Now, what is the what are you thinking of the what is your opinion about the stock first?
My objective is I want to buy the
Yes.
stock. Now the stock is high.
You want
Example 123. I want to
Okay.
spot the share about 100. Then I should be buy a put.
No, let's say
strike
you
the
the
price
stock
100. Am I right? No.
basically if the stock price now is $123, but you think the stock will go down to 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is what you say, right? Okay.
Yeah, right.
So what you do is you can buy the put. Okay, you buy the put. Okay.
Okay.
You buy the put and then you pay the premium.
Buy the
You know
put,
what I
pay
mean?
the premium. Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's just like you buy insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But okay, if anything happened to the stock, even without the stock, you still can make money. You know what I mean or not? Because when you long the put, you buy the put or buy the call, you don't need necessarily have on the stock, because you have the right, not the obligation. Unless you are the seller, then only you have the obligation.
Oh, I see. Mm-hmm. I get
That's
it.
why that's why I always emphasize, you guys have to understand what is called the right, what is called the obligations.
Okay. Always is even though call or put is buy, not sell, right?
Yes. If you sell it, of course can also, but you have the obligation, you need more money, you have the share in hand, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Our call, you must have your share in hand, okay. But
Mm-hmm.
when you short the put, you must have the cash in hand. So when the price go below that, you have to to buy it back, you know. You see or not? Okay.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
don't encourage for you to
Thank-
sell the options unless you are really professionals and already know very, very well already.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you think the stock will go down to 100, okay, 2 weeks from now, April, you can buy 2 weeks options and pay a little bit premium, okay.
Mm-hmm.
But if the stock it didn't go down, okay, more than your premium, you will lose money. you have lost the premium.
Okay.
Again, might
You
repeat
must
that.
understand, you know,
Okay.
it's just like the insurance lah. If
Okay.
nothing happen, what happened to your premium? A lot of people don't understand, you know. I believe you have car insurance, you have health insurance, right?
Right.
Every year I pay a few thousand ringgit for the car insurance. I pay at least more than 10,000 ringgit for my health insurance. That's why I tell people, you know, I never use it before. Okay, hopefully don't use also lah. So
Yeah.
if nothing happened to me, the premium is burned, bah. Every year you have to renew one.
Right.
Same thing. You get me or not? But
Yeah.
if something happen, okay, of course your reward will be more lah. You don't need to come out like 1 million if let's say you go to operation whatever already, the insurance will cover already.
Right.
Same thing like that. Okay. So if you buy put insurance, okay, let's say you buy put, okay, you think well, the stock market is too high already, and yet you worried this and that. You know, people are always worried that you can buy put long. Okay, you buy put, then let's say okay, I give you a live example here. Let's say
Okay.
Apple, okay, you think Apple
Not
will
Apple
crash
just okay.
I give you example only lah. Okay, let's say a
It's
lot of people say Neo is
right.
overvalued, this and that. Okay, so basically what you do here is you actually can buy put. Okay, you can buy put at. We will guide you how to buy put also when you join option 202. You know what I mean? Okay, you cannot simply
Okay.
just buy. You know, you simply just buy 80% you will burn your premium one.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
really, honestly, you get me? Because you know what's the you need to know the delta first. Okay, all these things, you get me? That's why a lot of people will tell you when you buy options, right? Most of the time you lost money one, which I agree also because they don't know how and they choose the wrong stock.
Yeah, you are right. I agree.
You know what I mean or not? You get me or not? Okay, you see or not? Okay,
That's why.
so basically, so if you think, okay, you know, Neo will go down to $30, you actually can buy put options. Maybe you know, the no need to so high lah, the price lah, because in the money is higher side. You can buy $35. Okay, then maybe you pay the premium is the $2. Okay, so let's say the price is go down to $30, you are making $3, lor.
Okay. Oh, I see.
You get me or not? Okay, so it's very important for you to know that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so put insurance is I seldom buy put because my put normally I combine with other strategy. Of course, that one is a more complex one lah. You get me or not? Yeah, no. Okay. You actually can use a credit spread, all this kind of thing also. Okay. Okay. So that one you have to learn in options 202 lah. You get me or not? Okay. Okay, CG, just now you have a question want to ask, right?
Oh, no. I was just saying Facebook can buy put option, right?
Yeah. You can buy put option, you can buy call option, you can do cover call, you can do whatever strategy, iron condor, iron butterfly, whatever it is lah. You get me? That's a good thing about the options. You can play multiple dimensions of the market. You get me? Rather than you just like stop, you just buy, you just hope it to go up only. All right. Okay. Okay, so for those people, you know, a bit loaded and then they want to have a follow trade one. Okay, this is our video. Okay, so before we sign off lah tonight, because market is going to open in 4 minutes. Okay.
Have you missed the boat and wonder how you can profit from? Dreaming of owning the blue chip stocks like Apple, Starbucks, Facebook, or even the legendary investor Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway? But you don't have time and tired of trading, investing, and you want to make money and grow your wealth from stock markets? No worries. We have solutions for you. Introducing MTRADEGO Prime Account. 1, you choose the best portfolios among our traders. 2, you can monitor your portfolio via our MTRADEGO app 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 3, you have full control of your fund where it is at and keep safe at the largest US bank. 4, you can withdraw anytime you want and use it. 5, you can accumulate your wealth and retire rich. Let's grow your money with Prime Trade with MTRADEGO, your preferred investment app to grow your money. Talk to us for more information.
Okay, so this is basically for those people don't have any confidence to trade yet or what. Okay, let's say they want to try out. Okay, our things. Okay, like I say, they always can fill up the form here. okay, like a CG, if you want to fill out you are interested, you are keen, you just fill out the form here. The moment you fill out the form, basically, we will come back to you. All right.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
So I think that's all for tonight. Okay. So those who want to attend our options 202. Okay. Basically, you can go to our website. Okay, and then you can go options 202 here. Yeah, doctor. Yeah. Airbnb, don't buy now lah. But hard to say lah because a lot of people goreng lah, you know. Because I don't look at the financial statement yet, but I don't understand the stock because it's just listed. Okay, you see or not? You see or not? It's because I think the valuations I don't know yet. Okay, you have to look at what is the not PE lah, the PS law. Okay, because definitely no E yet lah, I believe lah. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, so I think that's all for tonight. Okay, so good night, everyone. Okay, so Dato, wake up, Dato. Okay, so if you're keen, okay, the 2021, okay, just let me know. Okay, so that's all. All right, so I see you guys and good night. All right, I still have to work, you know. Market just open only. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mike. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Okay.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Bye.
thank you, Mike.
See you all.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.